Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Emoji Blitz. You will go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Emoji Blitz. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can click on storage. After that you can click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about Emoji Blitz. Then you can update your app if you find here updating this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.